Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how I make this simple and delicious apple cake. So for this cake I used butter, vanilla extract, salt, baking powder, cinnamon, milk, raisins, apples, eggs, sugar, and all-purpose flour. To just sift the flour, add the rest of the dried ingredients and mix it. Peel apples, and I decided to shave the apples, but you can also cut it in cubes. So cream the butter, and usually I would add sugar at this point before adding the eggs, but I forgot, so I did it the other way around. Add vanilla extract and milk. Now add flour and mix until everything is well combined. And finally add apples and raisins to the batter. So while the oven is preheating, grease a cake pan. And I made a flour and cinnamon mix to dust the cake pan, but this is optional. Bake the cake in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for about 50 to 60 minutes. And there you have it. For other delicious cake and cupcake recipes, check out this playlist. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.